answer sessions. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for an uninterrupted experience. Thank you for joining with us. We will begin shortly.
Live started, sir.
Yeah.
So, good morning, all. So, before we officially begin with our webinar, we invite you for an extreme experience to our Spirit, Vision, and webinar and vibrant campus life of MIT ADT University through our university audio, video, visual presentation. Let us start with the university audio visual presentation. So can you please share the audio video?
Welcome to MIT Art, Design and Technology, that is MIT ADT University at Rajbagh, Pune. Enter a new world of knowledge and progress under the exceptional leadership and tutelage of Honorable Father and Founder Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad, the President of MIT Art, Design and Technology University. The university continues to grow by leaps and bounds. Honorable Dr. Mangesh T. Karad, as the Executive President and Vice Chancellor of the MIT ADTU, strives to bring education excellence closer to one and all. Become a part of the glorious legacy of close to 4 decades of MIT Group of Institutions, transforming generations through value-based, globally relevant education. Driven by the vision of delivering value-based education and holistic development of students to transform them into future global leaders. A picturesque location and sprawling lush green campus of 125 acres, empowering leaders to become adaptive and agile global professionals. A unique pedagogy amalgamating diverse domains and disciplines in art, design, science, management and technology. world-class curriculum with emphasis on project-based learning, inculcation of Indian culture, values and ethos to promote world peace, future-ready programs, world-class research and highly qualified faculty, 500 plus MOUs, 25 plus foreign collaborations, exceptional industrial connect, live projects, innovation, research and consultancy practices all round the year. More than 500 plus brands every year on campus for recruitments, student placements in top-notch brands and MNCs across the globe, on-campus incubation center for entrepreneurial ideas and networking opportunities, 5,000 plus students, faculty and support staff on campus, world-class amenities and facilities for students and faculty within campus premises, Olympic-sized swimming pool, gymnasium, archery, tennis, badminton and rowing club, 360-degree growth opportunities and support for developing personality, communication skills, foreign language skills, image building and more. Extracurricular and co-curricular activities to further learning beyond boundaries, fun and play, comradeship and team building and holistic 360-degree development. Accolades to testify the quality of education and the MIT ADT advantage. Welcome to MIT ADT, the University of Tomorrow.
Good morning once again to everyone. A warm welcome to all our students, parents, and the distinguished guests who have joined us today. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you today for our BCA webinar organized by MIT ADT University, Pune. I, Dr. Manisha Piparia, and feel privileged to be the host for today's session. Choosing the right after class 12th is one of the most important decisions by any student throughout the life. Through today's webinar, we aim to help you understand about the Bachelor's of Computer Application program, explore the exciting opportunities available in the field of information technology, and give you an insight into the academic excellence and vibrant learning environment at MIT ADT. We are confident that today's session will help you to make an informed decision about your future. We are truly honored the gracious presence of our respected Professor Dr. Sunita Karar, ma'am, Director MIT ADT Technology. Ma'am, your visionary leadership and constant encouragement continue to aspire innovation and excellence in education. On behalf of everyone present today, I extend our warm welcome and heartfelt gratitude to you. Now, it's my distinguished privilege and honor to introduce our today's experienced speakers, that is of today's webinar, Dr. Irfan Chogle sir, head of the department BCA at MIT School of Business and Computer Applications, MIT ADT University, Pune. Dr. Chogle is an accomplished academician, researcher, and technology expert with more than 20 years of experiences in higher education, teaching, research, and industry academic collaborations. Beyond academic, Dr. Chogle has established a strong industrial connection through its consultancy engagement with IBM and collaboration with leading edtech organization, which ensures the student receive industry-relevant knowledge and practice exposure. Over the years, he has mentored thousands of students and has instrumental preparing from successful career in the rapid evolving technological sector. Today, Dr. Chogle will guide you through the BCA program at MIT ADT, discuss the future technology-driven career experiences, explain why BCA is the most promising career-choosing field, and highlights the opportunity available in the fields such as AI, data science, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. I am confident that his insight will help you, our students and parents, to make an informed decision about the academic and professional future. Without further ado, may I request our esteemed speaker, Dr. Irfan Chogle sir, to kindly take over the session. Sir, the virtual stage is all yours now. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Manisha, ma'am. That was a very spirited introduction. But anyways, let me ask you something before we even begin. Right now, as you are watching this, somewhere in Bangalore, a 23 years old just got a salary offer of 18 lakhs per annum, not because of where he studied, not because of which board he was in, and because he knew the Python, because he understood the cloud, because he could build with AI. So and the company that hired him, they turned away 10 BTech graduates to give him that offer. And that young man studied BCA. Trust me, BCA. So, I mean, and today, in the next 60 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can become that person. Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Irfan Chaugule, head of the department BCA at MIT ADT University. I want to start by asking all of you watching live, if you could drop yes in the chat box if you are a student figuring out to do after your 12th. You could drop uh, cross if you are a parent watching with your child. Drop something hash if you are already curious about AI and tech careers. Come on, fast. Yeah, so look at that. I mean, I can see from Mumbai, from Pune, from Nasik, from Aurangabad, Delhi, all over India, I can already see that chat is lighting up. And that tell me one thing, the generation watching this screen right now knows the future is digital. And you are just looking for a right door. Today, I am uh, handing you the key of that digital career. So this is MIT ADT University BCA admission webinar series 2026. A special thanks. I mean, before I begin, I would like to say special thanks to our inspiration and mentor, Professor Dr. Sunita Karad Madam, our Executive Director of MIT ADT University, whose vision for this university has made what I am about to share with you possible. So let us begin with one potential life-changing decision, and we are covering that. Basically, we are helping to take you that decision and why the digital economy is exploding right now. Why specialized BCA beats generic engineering degrees. All four, I mean, all four of our cutting-edge specialization tracks that I'll be explaining you in upcoming slides. So MIT, ADT, our campus, our labs, our faculties, our students. So real salary numbers, no bluff, no exaggeration, and the exact admission process, step by step, and then we throw the floor open for live question and answer. So this is the complete roadmap of this webinar. Now, before I tell you about your future, let me tell you about mine, not to impress you, but to show you the path works. But I mean, somewhere, what actually I want you to know about me, I remember what it felt like to sit where you are sitting now, which is very uncertain and little overwhelmed, wondering if there is a clear path to great career in technology or whether it is just a hype. So I am here today to tell you it is not hype. Trust me, it is not hype, and I'm going to prove it with the data. So, uh, in section 1, the opportunity. So I'm telling you the opportunity. I want you to look at these 4 numbers. Look at these 4 numbers on your screen. So 1 million plus, that's the number of data and AI jobs and jobs in India needs to fill by 2026, according to NASSCOM. And that's not a projection for 2035. That's now. Yes, that's now. So 3.5 million on your screen. You can see that cybersecurity jobs unfilled globally, not in India. I'm saying you globally, and this I see C Square publish this number. Okay, so this is the authorized number. I'm telling you, the talent gap is real and it's massive. Next, 94%. You can see on your screen the share of global market workloads running on the cloud. And every time you send a WhatsApp message, stream Netflix, make a UPI payment, cloud infrastructure is handling it. And the next number is 18 lakh per annum. So the average salary for AI engineer at entry to mid-level in India, according to Glassdoor, not to the top, it's a average. I'm telling you this average, right? So before moving to the next slide, I would like to request you drop in chat which number surprised you the most. Okay, I'll answer you after, in our question answer session. Now, the next thing is India's digital economy is projected to reach $1 trillion by 2030. Healthcare is becoming AI powered. Banking and fintech, every major bank is now also a technology company. And agriculture is going digital with IoT, soil sensors, drone monitoring. And of course, entertainment is not lagging behind. And every recommendation on Netflix, Spotify, your Amazon Prime, YouTube, that's machine learning. And the question is not whether will transform your industry. The question is whether you will be one driving that transformation. And that's what we are building at MIT ADT University under BCA program. Now, the section 2 is basically why we choose specialized BCA. So, and this is probably the section most parents are waiting for, BCA or BTech. So BCA or BTech. I get this question every single day. So let me give you the most honest, most direct answer I can. So on your screen, you can see the comparison between BCA and BTech. So actually, I dare here to compare BCA program with a BTech program. So BCA at MIT ADT is a 3 years program, and BTech is 4 years program. So that 1 year difference means your child enters the workforce, start earning a full year earlier. So BCA is application focused and project driven. By graduation, students have GitHub portfolio with the real deployable projects. BCA at MIT ADT University offers deep specialization from semester 3 in data science, cloud computing, IoT and cybersecurity, IoT and web technology, and cybersecurity. So, and critically, BCA is open to all streams. So this is the good news for all, that it is open to all streams. Unlike, not like your BTech. So any science background student, commerce background student, arts background students can take admission to BCA. So BTech requires PCM in 12th. So this is the biggest obstacle you can see in BTech. But here in BCA, anyone can take this course as a career. So that alone closes the door for thousands of brilliant students. To parents watching this, I know engineering feels like safer choice because it's what we were told for 30 years, but the industry has completely changed. And the BCA graduates from MIT ADT University with an AWS certification and internship programs under their belt is more attractive to any tech company than generic BTech graduates with CGPA and no real projects. So this is not compromise. This is a strategy, guys. So let me ask you. You can answer me in the chat box. Are you from science, commerce, or arts background? So what's the one biggest fear your parents has about BCA? And let me address here live. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your response. Our team will definitely get back to you with a complete satisfactory answers. Now, coming up next is choose your specialization. So here at MIT EDT University, we run 4 tracks, 4 futures, I can say, all world class. Ask yourself honestly, which one makes you lean forward? Data science and analytics, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and digital forensic. You know that, I mean, we are completing all offensive and defensive kind of thing, if you know something about cybersecurity. And the last is IoT and web technology. So the track 1, I'm focusing on the data science and analytics. So this is basically my home ground. Think about the last time you got a recommendation that was early, easily accurate. Okay. A machine learning model built that. Someone like you could be one that building it. And in this track, you learn Python, data manipulation with NumPy, Pandas, visualization with Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau, Power BI, business statistics, Excel, so many tools and so many technologies we cover here, and the tools that turn numbers into stories CEOs actually understand. And then machine learning, where you will be learning the different types of libraries like scikit-learn, then the classification algorithm, regression algorithm, clustering, the real data sets, real projects, deep learning, TensorFlow, Keras, CNN, NLP, the same technology which is, which is powering the Chat GPT and what you can call it as LLMs nowadays. So in my research on speech emotion recognition, I have used every one of these tools and don't teach you from the textbook. So I teach you from experience. So here, the teachers are very expert in all the specializations that I'm telling you. Now, coming to the career map, as far as data science and analytics is concerned. So these are the some of the major subjects or courses you can go under the data science specialization and look at these numbers. So actually, I'm interested in these numbers, that career map, and everyone is interested in what will be the salary range if I take any specialization. Then here is on your screen that if you choose data science and analytics as a career, then data analysts getting 4 to 12 lakh per annum, data scientists get 1 to 8 to 20 lakhs per annum. If ML engineer 6 to 18 lakhs per annum. AI engineer, I mean, yeah, this is the buzzword nowadays, Gen AI, agentic AI agents, and that AI engineer is getting 10 to 25 lakhs per annum. And these are what companies are paying today. And I have verified it by the Glassdoor, Naukri, and LinkedIn. I mean, you can also check yourself. Now, the next track is cloud computing. This is the another specialization we are providing under BCA program. Cloud computing, I mean, when Amazon went down for 20 minutes, imagine, I mean, billions of dollars evaporated. The people who keep it running are among the highest paid in tech. You work on actual WS and Azure consoles, real EC2 instances, real S3 buckets, Dockers, Kubernetes, containerization, and orchestration. Then the Terraform's infrastructure as a code, you provision an entire cloud environment with a single command, DevOps and CI/CD with the GitHub Actions and Jenkins and FinOps. So cloud cost optimization, a role that earns very well. And we also provide some some platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn platforms to get you AWS certified, Azure fundamentals, or Google Cloud certified, different types of certification we provide under this cloud computing specialization. And now coming to the salary range in cloud computing career, 6 to 16 lakh per annum as a cloud engineer, 12 to 25 lakh as a cloud architect, 8 to 20 lakh per annum as a DevOps engineer, 10 to 22 lakhs for site reliability engineer. Then the last is 6 to 14 lakh per annum FinOps analyst. Okay. I mean, these numbers are quite exciting to you. Now, the next specialization is cybersecurity and digital forensic. Okay. So, cybersecurity and digital forensic, that in the previous slide, I already shown you the 3.5 million jobs unfilled globally. So there are not enough defenders, not enough ethical hackers in the world. So you learn Kali Linux, Metasploit, penetration testing on intentionally vulnerable systems in our lab, digital forensic, investigate cyber crimes, recover deleted evidences, use volatile memory for analysis, SOC operations with Splunk, SIEM, and the different types of attack and its frameworks, and the bleeding edge AI-powered cyber threats. So that is, I mean, including the LLM prompt injection and deepfake detection. So our faculty are active practitioners, not just academicians. So, I mean, this is not at all exaggeration, but here we are providing this much of recently trending technologies. And coming to the numbers, so on your screen, if you work as a security analyst, you'll be getting 5 to 15 lakh per annum. Ethical hacker is getting 6 to 18 lakh per annum. Cybersecurity analysts, I can say that a SOC analyst, 4 to 12 lakh per annum. Penetration tester or bug bounty, we can say that 8 to 12 lakh per annum. 6 to 16 lakh per annum for digital forensic experts. So these are some of the roles you can take when you choose this cybersecurity specialization. The last and best specialization we are providing here is IoT and web technology. you know that I have shown you the 30 billion IoT devices will be connected worldwide by 2030, and every smart camera, medical sensor, factory robot needs to be built, connected, and secured. So here we are covering full MERN stack, including MongoDB, Express, React, React, Node.js, production grade web application, and then connect to physical devices like Raspberry Pi, MQTT, AWS IoT, React Native. I mean, so many things I can tell you here. And you can also check on your screen that mobile application development, UI, UX design, IoT plus cloud integration. So this much we are covering in this specialization. And the career roles and salary ranges here in this specialization. So you can take on IoT as an engineer with the 4 to 14 lakh per annum. Full stack developers are getting 5 to 18 lakh per annum. Of course, this full stack developer has again two types, that front end developer and back end developer. But full stack developer is getting large amount of salaries. Next is the web architect getting 6 to 16 lakh per annum. Embedded developer getting 5 to 12 lakh per annum, and UI, UX engineer, then user interface and user experience engineer getting 4 to 12 lakh per annum. So these are the four specialization you can choose here at MIT ADT University under BCA program. So data science and analytics, cloud computing, cybersecurity, IoT, and web technology. So I would appeal you, or rather I would request you, you can put in the chat box that which specialization excites you. Now, so here I'm going to focus, I can tell you some more about MIT ADT University, where you will spend 3 transformative years. So MIT Art, Design, and Technology University with NAC A accredited NEP 2020 aligned syllabus, 500 plus industry partners, and 1 lakh plus students community. So this is huge, yeah. So community members and students across the world. Our labs are not display models; they are working environments. They are working environments, and AI studio with GPU workstations, IoT labs with all the IoT kits and Raspberry Pi kits are there. Cybersecurity lab with intentionally vulnerable systems, cloud labs with the live AWS and Azure sandbox environment. Our faculties are researchers, practitioners, and consultants. When I teach AI, I bring my actual research into the classroom. So 2 mandatory internships, the placement assistance we are providing. We have a dedicated placement department with over 500 plus partner companies. And we organize hackathons, CTF competitions. And these are not extracurricular. They are built into your BCA program. Now, we provide exam vouchers for industry certification. AWS, if you are interested to do some certification on your screen, I can show you AWS certification, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Cisco, IBM. So, these are the certification, and the combination hiring managers respond to immediately. So placement support starts from year one, not year three. That I must mention here. Career counseling, LinkedIn profile building, resume workshop, mock interviews, and then on-campus drives with the TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini. I mean, I already told you the 500 plus companies we partnered during, over the period of time. Now, you know that here, basically, I just wanted to show you the career and the salary map after BCA. So, let me tell you something about the Pune is India's technological capital and 4,000 plus IT companies, and the Hinjewadi IT Park, one of the Asia's largest, and is practically next door to campus. So 3,000 registered startups, the industry is here, and the mentors, the companies, and the startup ecosystems all within reach. So if you are choosing a university for tech, and the geography is not incidental and it's strategic, so you can choose MIT ADT University here. Now, let's talk about the career progression pathway. So you probably, or you might have a question like, what would be the career progression after BCA? So here on your screen, I have mentioned some of the progression after your BCA program. So freshers IT job, junior developer to senior developer, team leader, up to the CTOs. BCA plus MCA would take you to the ML researcher, data scientist, principal data scientist, and AI director. If you choose MBA track after BCA, then BCA plus MBA tech would take you product manager, VP, product chief product officer. And if you choose BCA plus MS abroad, UK, 2 years post-study visa after BCA. Our students are studying in Canada, in Germany, with the PGWP plus PR pathways, and in Germany, larger tuition fee, free public universities. So these are some of the options after BCA, and this is how you progress your career. Now, the higher education path, if you want to study after BCA, then on your screen you can see that these are some of the options you could avail. That Masters of Computer Applications. So here in MIT University, we are also running all these programs like MCA in cloud computing, cybersecurity, and many with many specialization. Then MBA, we have a lot of specialization, right from business analytics to digital marketing and data science, everything. So this higher education also you can choose after your BCA. Now, coming to the eligibility and admission process here at MIT ADT University, especially for BCA program. So who can apply here? So 12 pass, any stream, as I said, like you are from science background or commerce background or arts backgrounds. Okay, so all equally welcome, no PCM requirement. Diploma, if you are a diploma holder, then you are eligible for the direct second year BCA program, and minimum 45 to 50% marks with relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, and physically disabled categories. So of course, 45% is for all category students, and 50% marks for open category students as per UGC and Government of Maharashtra norms. Mathematics background, so it is preferred but not mandatory, and we have structured bridge modules designed specifically to get non-science or non-IT background students up to the speed. So just relax and feel free to visit our campus. We will explain you that how a non-IT or non-science student can take this course. So admission through MIT, ADT universities, CET, that is para CET. You can take MHCET as well. Both are welcome. Or the 12th board percentage is also, matters in that case. But anyways, if you have a 50% in your 12th with any stream, and if you have given MSCET and para CET, you are most welcome and you are completely eligible to take admission in BCA. Now, on your screen, I have shown you the admission process in 4 simple steps. Okay, so you can visit our website, that is www.mituniversity.ac.in, and you can register yourself. Then you can upload the documents. Okay, you can upload the documents. Then for entrance review, if you are, already given MSCET or a para CET, then you can directly confirm your seat by paying the fee, and you can start your BCA journey. So probably you can take the screenshot of the screen for further reference. Now, I have mentioned some of the subjects which you are going to take in your semesters. So this also you can, take the screenshot. You can pause the video and you can take the screenshot so that it will be helpful you to understand what you will be studying in BCA. So you can see on your screen that the 3 years program. So first year is your certificate program. If you, multiple entry and multiple exit options are there as per NEP 2020 guidelines. So first, if you complete the first year, you will be eligible as a certificate course. If you complete the second year, then you will complete the diploma. And if you complete third year, then it will be your BCA degree. And if you continue with fourth year, then it will be BCA honors. All right. So next, so you can take this first year and second year specialization. So here, I would like to tell you, just a second, achievement that define our students. So here, apart from the curriculum and apart from the syllabus, we are continuously organizing hackathon competitions, various competitions, Smart India Hackathon, Hack MIT, different tech fest we are organizing here. We used to organize here basically. As I said, that different industry certification platforms we provide you here. Some of the open source contributions we also provide you and guide you that how you can contribute on multiple open source platforms. We have a dedicated committee, or we can say that a dedicated faculty group who will guide you for your startup launches. And we are continuously running different training programs for the startup launches, research publications. So yes, I would like to tell you that as far as research is concerned, so we are providing and we are guiding, and we have introduced research methodology and some of the AI tools in the syllabus itself, so that if any students develop his research cognitive ability, then we are here to help you to publish their papers on UGC, Scopus, and IEEE index. And MIT ADT University has also a dedicated journal, that is Abhiruddhi, and a lot of students are publishing their research papers in that Abhiruddhi journal. Campus placement. So as I said that we have a dedicated campus department, campus placement department, and and that department is continuously supporting and assisting students to get their dream job. So why MIT ADT, especially BCA stands apart? So NEP 2020 aligned curriculum, industry certification, mandatory internship, research active faculty, and research acumen is there, hackathons, and a lot more to say about BCA programs here at MIT ADT University. So here on your screen, you can see that multiple exit and entry and multiple exit. As I said, interdisciplinary electives, value-added courses we are providing. Then UCC courses we are also providing apart from your syllabus. Now, that's all about BCA program. Now coming to some of the frequently asked questions. So here on your screen that I have mentioned some of the, you are just 12 pass out, and you could have, or you might have questions in your mind that how BCA program is, and what are the what is the syllabus, and what are the different opportunities in BCA. So here are some of the questions on your screen that can I switch specialization after joining? So yes, in first 2 semesters, you are building foundational skills common to all tracks. Okay. So in the first year, like engineering, you will be studying, all the specialization students will be studying the same. And from second year or third semester, you will begin your specialization journey. So there is a window for assessment and real alignment in that transition, and the admission team can guide you specifically when, if you want to switch your specialization between the time. Next question is, what about arts stream students? Can they really do AI? So basically, I think there is no reason why everybody should use AI today. So some of my students have come from arts background, logical thinking, creativity, communication, and art arts train all of these. So we add technical framework on the top, and the bridge module exists precisely for this. So, I mean, I have already told you that any non-science or non-IT background student can take on BCA. So don't self-eliminate before you have tried. I mean, this is the honest answer for this question. What is the fee structure? So for fee structures, so you can visit our university website, that is www.mituniversity.ac.in. There you can find every detail about fee structures. How is the hostel? So just a second. Yeah, so about the hostel, so BCA graduates are eligible for uh, we have a separate hostel for boys and girls. So 24/7 security, Wi-Fi, mess facilities, sports infrastructure for outstation students. This is a full home away from home. So basically, we are providing the facilities like your home. And here are some of more questions. So is BCA valid for government jobs? So yes, it is valid degree. Absolutely. And what if I want to do research? Yes, from third year, you can start writing your research papers. And here is the question. So what is the difference between BCA and BTech? So BCA is a 3 years application focused degree open to all streams, as I said, with the deep specialization in data science, cloud, IoT and web technology, and cybersecurity. And if you take honors, then it will be for 4 years. But BTech requires PCM and has a broader engineering base. So BCA offers uh, faster career entry at lower cost with comparable and often higher starting packages in tech-specific roles. Yeah, so this is all about what we are covering in our BCA honors. Now, so now the platform is yours. Ask anything: career, curriculum, admissions, fees, hostel, future scope. You can put your comment in the chat box. And the best time to plan your career was when you were born. And the second best time is right now. So don't waste time. And this is the time actually to get every question answered. So no question is too basic, too detailed, or too ambitious. Whether you want to know about the fees, hostel facilities, specific subjects, certification, the cost, the fees, placement statistics, and or how to choose between specialization. So here I am there to answer you all your questions, and rather I'm here to help you. All right. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all for your questions and your overwhelmed comments in the chat box. Last I would request you, please connect with MIT ADT BCA department. And on your screen, you can see our official website. And if you want to know each and every detail of the admission to BCA program, then the second link, and we are available from Monday to Sunday, actually, Monday to Sunday, 8:40 to 5 p.m. I have given my number on your screen that you can feel free to contact me for admission related query, specifically for BCA. Okay, so the last note, in a world begin reshaped by AI, cloud, and cybersecurity, the question is not whether technology will transform your industry, it is whether you will be the one driving that transformation. So this is the tagline which you can take home. So the BCA or BCA honors at MIT DT University is not just a degree, it is structured 3 years commitment to making you one of the most sought after technology professional in India and beyond. So every subject, every internship, every certification, and every hackathon is designed with one goal: to make you industry ready, globally competitive, and career confident on your graduation day. That's all from my end. Thank you. Thank you for joining and watching it live. Over to you, Manisha.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for this such an enlightening and enriching session. Your guidance will probably help students, every student, to understand why to choose BCA program and have the various career opportunities available today throughout the world. I'm sure students and parents found today's session extremely innovative and valuable. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights, sir. Thank you so much. I request all the students, if today's session inspire you and to pursue your computer applications, we warmly welcome you to our MIT ADD family. If you have any queries, you can connect with any of our admission counseling team or any of the faculty. For all queries, they all are available. Please feel free to connect with us for personalized guidance. As we have come towards the end of the webinar, I would extremely like to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made the session very successful. Our sincere thanks to our respected speaker, Dr. Irfan Chogle, for delivering such an informative and inspiring session for helping our student understand the opportunities that awaits in the field of computer applications. I would also like to express our deepest gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. Sangeeta Funne ma'am, for her constant encouragement, guidance, and unwavering support in organizing student-centric initiatives like today's webinar. Our heartfelt thanks go to our respected executive director, Dr. Sunita Karad ma'am, for her visionary leadership and continuous motivation in creating opportunities that empower students to make informed career choices. A special thanks to our admission team and the organizing team for their dedicated efforts and planning for the today's event went smoothly. Finally, I would like to thank every student and their parent for taking their time to join with us today, for their enthusiastic participation in the webinar that is truly meaningful. We hope to welcome you all soon at MIT ADT University family. Thank you again, and I wish all the very best for your bright academic and professional future. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.